The standard you will be learning today is MCC7SP2. Use data from a random sample to draw inferences about a population with an unknown characteristic of interest. Generate multiple samples of the same size to gauge the variation in estimates or predictions. Your vocabulary. Mean. Mean is the average where you add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers in the set. 2. Median. The median is the middle value in the set of numbers. And 3. Mode. Mode is the value that occurs the most often in the set. If there is no number repeated twice, then there is no mode.
Steps to finding the mean. First, you add up all the numbers. Second, then you count how many numbers there are in a set. And last, divide the sum of numbers by the amount of numbers there are in your set. So first, we're going to add up all of our numbers, which is 6, 6, 8, 16, and 24. And that's going to equal 60. And then second, you count how many numbers there are in a set, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to divide 60 by 5, and 5 goes into 6 one time. So you subtract 5, you get 1, then you bring down your 0, you get 10, and 5 goes into 10 twice. So your mean is 12. Steps to finding the median. First, you put all of your numbers in the set in order from least to greatest. Then you find the middle number in the set. If there are 2 medians, you add them together and divide them by 2. So first, we're going to put all of our numbers in order. And 6, there's 2 6s, and then it's 8, and then 16, and then 24. And then second, you find the middle number in the set. So you start by marking off from one side and then the other until you have one number in the middle, which is 8. So 8 is your median. Steps to finding the mode. First, you put the numbers in the set in order from least to greatest. Then you find the number that appears the most. If there is no number repeated, then there is no mode. If there is multiple modes, then all of the numbers are your mode. So, first you're going to put your numbers in a set in order from least to greatest. So it's 6, 6, 8, 16, and 24. And then you find which number is repeated the most. There are 2 6s, 1 8, 1 16, and 1 24. So 6 is your mode because it occurs the most. Steps to finding no mode. Okay. So first you're going to put your numbers in order from least to greatest. So it's 2, 4, 8, 10, and 30. Okay, so now you're going to say which number occurs the most. 2 occurs one time, 4 is 1, 8 is 1, 10 is 1, and 30 is 1. Now that, because all of these occurred the same amount of time, there is no mode. But if they occurred the same amount of time, say they all appeared 2 times, then you would still have no mode. Now for our second example of finding the mean. First we're going to add up all the numbers in the set. So it's 2, 2, 8, 8, 10, 10, and 30. Which equals 70. And then we're going to count how many numbers are in our set. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to divide the sum, which is 70, by the number of numbers in our set, which is 7. And 7 goes into 7 one time. So So 7 minus 7 is 0. And you bring down your 0, and 7 goes into 0 0 times. So our mean is 10.
Go.
Now for our second example to finding the median. First, we're going to put all of our numbers in order from least to greatest. So it's 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 10, 10, and 30. Then we're going to find the middle number in the set. If there are two middle numbers, we're going to add them together and divide by 2. So we're going to mark one off from each side until we get our middle number, which is 4 and 8. So we're going to add 8 and 4 together, which is 12, and divide by 2. And 6 is our median.